Desiree again, and I'm still in my bathing suit because I just went swimming, and I'm going to be burping on command. As you can see, I have my Jesus poster because y'all know I love Jesus. For more videos, like and subscribe down below and leave a comment if you have any requests.